Hi students, in this session our topic is interactive analysis and ad hoc querying. We already discussed the standard reports. So from the standard reports, how we can uh, more analyze the standard report, what are the things we have to improve. For that, the option is interactive analysis. We have to improve the interactive analysis upon the standard reports and perform the ad hoc query. By these, in this session, we are seeing the ad hoc reporting. So, all the thing the BI users looking for additional details. Additional details means the information delivered in standard reports may opt still further drill down into the data. So, how we can drill down further within the standard report generated data by broader visibility into the existing data, one option. Another thing, a finer level of granularity. So here the granularity means the scale or level of details in a set of data. So to improve the scale, we have to further and further improve our level of granularity within the set of data. And these two means broader visibility and finer level of granularity. These both are intended to go beyond the relatively strict format of the standard report. Even they open up different views into the data. So even they have different views, the data, we can relatively form a strict format. To do this, we have two options. First option is it is involving first taking data formatted into a standard report. First you have to do this, and after that downloading it into a framework, so that framework should allows you to slice and dice the existing data more freely. So whenever we are doing slice and dice the data means dividing into pieces of data. Within the small pieces we can get meaningful and clear information from the existing data more freely. So to do this, we have an example which is extracting data from the report into desktop spreadsheet tool. This is the tool. This tool provides organization around hierarchies. So uh, with this, it is giving dimensional analysis provides some level of interactive analysis, and it is forming pivot table. This pivot table enables broader flexibility in grouping data ordered into hierarchies. So, by these hierarchies, ordered into hierarchies, grouping the data into ordered hierarchies named as a pivot table, with this we can develop static graphs and charts, uh, or we can examine the data from different angles. And second option, the second option saying the second option is more powerful in enabling finer granularity by allowing more sophisticated users to execute their own queries into the analytical data platform. So the users with an understanding of the data warehouses, data inventory, and who have some skill at articulating their queries can either run ad hoc queries directly using SQL or can use tools that help users describe the datasets to review. So by using these tools what are mentioned here, you can reformulate the those requests in SQL queries that are executed directly. With these results sets are also suitable for loading into desktop tools for further organization and further analysis. And by taking those uh, we can form static charts and graphs too. To formulate and execute ad hoc queries, we have to take some cautions. Those are the first caution we have to take about the performance. So, performance is based upon the writing and efficient queries. So, writing an efficient query is a skill because uh, many queries involve joins across multiple tables that can bring a system's performance low. So the users would be expected to be highly trained users to write their own queries. And other thing we have, the users should call, take caution about semantic consistency. Semantic means it's the meaning, it's saying the meaning. So, uh, whenever the users writing their own queries, they have to know and understand the meaning of the data elements they have selected to include in their results sets. So, without comprehensive, standardized business term glossaries and metadata repositories, users may see data element names and impute their definitions. So, potentially assigning meanings that are different than what was intended by the data creators. This will impact believability of the results. And other thing we have to the BI users uh, take caution is about repeatability. The ad hoc process involves a sequence consisting of multiple iterations of the queries and review of the result set process. So, this is effectively follow a thread or a train of thought, but without a means for capturing the thought process driving the sequence, it is difficult to capture the intuition that drives the ultimate result. Uh, we can say the sequence may yield some results, but it may be difficult to replicate. It means copy the process a second time or third time. We may not copy the same process. So the conclusion saying standard reports can provide knowledge to a broad spectrum of consumers, even if those consumers must have contextual knowledge to identify the key indicators and take actions. So the ad hoc queries enable greater drill down and potential for insight means giving broader visibility and doing finer level of granularity. But however, giving the growth of data means day by day the data is growing and it is coupled with the petabytes. So complexity and performance impacts of ad hoc queries is increasing. So, standard reporting is rapidly yielding to more organized methods for delivering results. Through it is chosen parameters reporting, dimensional analysis, notifications, alerts, and exception reporting. Okay, we will discuss parameterized reports in the next session. Okay, students, do well for the exams. Thank you.